Want to install Node.js on your computer in less than 2 minutes? In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to download, install and verify Node.js. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for download Node.js. Now click on the official Node.js website. On the home page, download the LTS version which is recommended for most users. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation steps. Click Next, accept the license agreement and continue with the default settings and install. After the installation is finished, click on Finish. Now let's verify that Node.js was installed successfully. Open your command prompt and type node -v. Then you see a version number on your screen. Congratulations, Node.js has been installed successfully.